Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Kyle. Today we're going to be doing a install on a Klock Werks sport windshield, or sport flare rather. I got the 9-inch blacked out one, as you can see here. So we're just going to be installing that today. Real simple. Over here on your bike, first things first, you're going to be removing the windshield. It's just these 4 Phillips bolts. And as always, just make sure you have some kind of protection in case you drop something. Alrighty guys, so with your new windshield, drop it into place. Make sure your washers are on the outside. Make sure the windshield's all lined up. And from there you can install your other 2 screws. Once you get them all started, now you can go around and snug them all up. Be sure not to go too tight. And once everything's on, you can remove the protective plastic. And there we have it, the Klock Werks 9-inch sport flare blacked out windshield. And then as always, thanks for tuning in guys. Make sure to click like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Peace.